My name is Malyari Aldrin C. from BS Criminology for Y2-2, and I am going to discuss and explain the different components of a computer. The first part that I'm going to discuss is a motherboard is the main circuit board of a computer that connects and allows communication between all the internal components. It serves as the central hub for connecting essential hardware like the CPU, Central Processing Unit, RAM, or random access memory storage devices such as the hard drives and SSDs, and other peripherals like graphics cards, network cards, and USB ports. Essentially, the motherboard facilitates data exchange and power distribution between all these ports, enabling the computer to function as a whole. The next one is the RAM, or random access memory. It's a type of computer memory that temporarily stores data and instructions that the CPU needs to access quickly while performing tasks. Unlike storage devices like hard drive or SSDs, RAM is much faster but also volatile, meaning it loses all its data when the power is turned off. RAM helps improve system performance by providing quick access to the data CPU needs right now, making your computer feel faster and more responsive. The next one is the CPU, or Central Processing Unit, is the primary component of a computer that performs most of the processing inside. It's often referred to as the brain of the computer because it executes instruction from programs, manage data, and carries out calculations. The CPU interprets the process commands from the computer's hardware and software, making it crucial element for the functioning of any computer device. The next one is hard drive, or hard disk drive is a data storage device used in computers to store and retrieve large amounts of data permanently. Unlike RAM, which is temporarily and volatile, a hard drive stores data even when the computer is turned off. The main functions of hard drive is it holds the operating system, software, files, documents, photos, and other data that need to be preserved over time. And hard drives offer large storage capacities, typically ranging from hundreds of gigabytes to several